Hello smart people, this satmath problem shouldn't take you up to 5 seconds. If the square root of x plus the square root of 9 is equal to 64, what is the value of x? So this is quite very simple. We know that the square root of 9 is just 3, and also the square root of 64 is 8. So then what is that value that you just plug in here so that when you add it with 3, it will give you 8? You just consider 25, because the square root of 25 is 5, and 5 plus 3 will give you 8. So 25 is the option, not 5. Because if you plug in 25 into that x in place of the x, then you have here to be what? 5 plus 3, and the result will give you 8. So option C, not B, is the answer to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share, and make sure you turn into applying for subscription.